Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is abundant. 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 Abundant is an adjective used to describe something that exists in large quantities or is plentiful. It signifies a state of excess or having more than enough of a particular substance, quality, or condition. Here are some examples. Example number 1. The forest is home to an abundant variety of wildlife, including deer, birds, and foxes. Why abundant is used in example number 1. Abundant is used to describe the large and diverse population of wildlife in the forest, emphasizing the plentiful presence of various species. Example number 2. After a heavy rain, the fields become lush and green, with abundant crops ready for harvest. Why abundant is used in example number 2. Abundant is used to highlight the luxuriant growth of crops in the fields, indicating that there are more than enough for harvesting. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.